If you drink lots of water with a healthy meal, does it flush out all the minerals and nutrients that we're getting from that food?
That's a really interesting question. Okay, so my quick answer is I don't know. Here's what I do know. I know that overhydrations, like drinking a lot more liquid than what we actually need, we can start to flush out extra minerals, right? The kidneys basically have a really hard time then like regulating mineral balance if we're drinking way too much. They also have a really hard time if we're drinking way too little. Our kidneys are they're fussy little organs and they really like a happy medium amount of hydration. So I know that if we drink way too much overall, that can cause some, like, electrolyte imbalances. And certainly, like, if you're consuming more B vitamins or vitamin C than we need, like, our kidneys do flush out the excess through, urination, so that's where all the extra B vitamins and vitamin C goes if you're consuming too much on any one day. But does just drinking a lot of water with one meal do that? I don't think so. I don't think like, I suppose in a hypothetically, you could drink enough to dilute, like, the digestive enzymes. So water in our digestive tract is mostly removed in the large intestine, whereas minerals, vitamins, proteins, fats are mostly absorbed in the small intestine. So could you drink enough water with a meal to dilute digestive enzymes, dilute stomach acid enough that your digestive processes would be inefficient enough that you wouldn't absorb all those minerals and vitamins? Uh, I mean, there must be a level, but then maybe that level is already getting into hyperhydration. I my instinct here based on what I know is like, don't worry about drinking too much with a meal, but don't like try to like this seems like a bad experiment to do on ourselves. Like, don't try to drink so much that you're inhibiting digestion. That seems like a bad idea. But I don't think, I mean, if you're drinking a few glasses of water with your meal, I mean, that's going to be fine. That's completely within the normal range of amount of like liquid to also, it would completely matter what you're eating. If you're eating something with really low water content, you're going to be fine drinking more water content. If you're, eating soup or something for a meal and then also drinking a couple liters of water, like now that's something that's really crazy high water content. So, you know what? I think we're all overthinking this, and I don't think this is a thing that we need to worry about.